everybody, and welcome back to another video with me, Sam Potter. In today's lesson, we will learn about the weather. We will learn how to describe different weather in different seasons and how to use weather as a subject of small talk. In England, we are famous for talking about the weather. This is because we have 4 strong seasons. Also, the weather is very changeable, which means that in a single day, the weather can change a lot of times. This makes it quite unpredictable and means it isn't always easy to dress correctly. It is important to remember that different countries in the world have very different weather, and the seasons may fall in different months. In the north of Vietnam, the 4 seasons in a year fall on the months shown below. Winter is in January and February, and it's the dry season. Spring is March and April, and known as the wet or rainy season or monsoon season. The summer is May, June, July, and August. Autumn is September and October and November, and is known as the dry season. And winter is also in December. Listen to the 9 statements about the weather in Vietnam. Read the text and listen for the key words. When you're finished, see if you can answer the questions that follow. You may need to pause the video and check again before answering. Number 1. In tropical countries such as Vietnam, the seasons can also be described as wet and dry season. Hanoi experiences wet summers and mild, dry winters. Number 2. The rainy season starts and ends earlier in the north, March to September, than in the south, which is May to October. Popular times for tourists to visit Hanoi are from December until February, when it's dry and the temperature and humidity level are also much lower compared to the rest of the year. Number 3. During the month of February, March, November, and December, you are most likely to experience good weather with pleasant average temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Number 4. The hottest season, summer, is in May, June, July, and August, and can carry on as long as September and October. Number 5. Hanoi has dry periods between December and January. January is the driest month of the year. 6. On average, the warmest month is July. On average, the coolest month is January. August is the wettest month. This month should be avoided if you are not a big fan of rain. Number 7. In the capital city, Hanoi, the temperature in winter can drop as low as 10 degrees Celsius. Because the houses in Vietnam don't have added insulation, it can feel very cold. Often people wear winter clothes like jumpers, jackets, hats and scarves to keep warm inside. Number 8. Vietnam has a hot and humid climate, greatly influenced by seasonal monsoons. The climate in the south is equatorial, while the north is subtropical. Climate differences also depend on altitude. Vietnam is located entirely within the tropical belt of the Northern Hemisphere. Now listen to the questions below. Pause the video at the end of each question and try to answer before listening to the answers. Number 1. Vietnam has a wet and dry season. In Hanoi, when is it wet and when is it dry? A. Hanoi experiences wet summers and dry winters. Number 2. In what 4 months are you most likely to get good, pleasant weather, with temperatures between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius? The most pleasant months of the year are February, March, November, and December. Question number 3. May, June, July, and August are considered to be what season? Summer. Question 4. When is it considered to be rainy season? The answer? March to September. Question 5. The answer? The hottest month is July, and the coldest month is January. Question number 6. What adjectives best describe Hanoi's climate? Hanoi has a hot and humid climate. Great job. Well done. To accompany this video lesson, we also have an exercise sheet to complete for your homework. This will include further vocabulary on weather and how to use it. Remember to keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.